By the end of the video, you will know about how to work out during intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has become a popular eating pattern for weight management and overall health. Exercising during fasting periods requires careful planning to ensure optimal performance and recovery. Here are some tips to effectively work out during intermittent fasting. 1. Choose the right timing. Strategic planning. Schedule your workouts during the feeding window or closer to when you break your fast to maximize energy levels and performance. 2. Focus on hydration. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods to stay hydrated and support your workout performance. 3. Opt for low to moderate intensity workouts. Adjust intensity. During fasting periods, opt for low to moderate intensity exercises such as walking, yoga, or light cardio to conserve energy and prevent muscle breakdown. 4. Incorporate resistance training. Maintain muscle. Include resistance training exercises using body weight or weights to preserve muscle mass during fasting periods. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention. Be mindful of how your body feels during workouts and adjust intensity or duration as needed. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. 6. Post-workout nutrition. Recovery fuel. Break your fast with a balanced meal containing protein and carbohydrates within an hour after your workout to support muscle repair and recovery. 7. Monitor your progress. Track your results. Keep track of how your body responds to workouts during fasting periods to adjust your routine accordingly. 8. Stay consistent. Build a routine. Consistency is key to adapting to exercising during intermittent fasting. Stick to a regular workout schedule that fits your fasting protocol. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. 9. Listen to expert advice. Consult a professional. If you're new to intermittent fasting or have specific fitness goals, consult with a fitness trainer or nutritionist for personalized guidance. 10. Enjoy the process, embrace the journey. Embrace the benefits of intermittent fasting and how it complements your fitness journey. Stay positive and motivated towards achieving your goals. Incorporating these tips into your workout routine during intermittent fasting can help you maintain energy levels, preserve muscle mass, and achieve your fitness objectives effectively. Always prioritize your health and well-being when combining fasting and exercise.